Yes, students, we are doing here next topic, the seed. The seed is formed where into ovary. It is ovary. It has a chamber, single chamber, double chamber, or multi chamber. This chamber is known as a locule, and into the locules there is a placenta present, and with the help of placenta ovules are attached here. In the single locule also ovules are present. These are known as ovules. And after fertilizations, these ovules are converted into seeds after fertilization. Now we will discuss here the structure of seeds and type of seeds. After fertilization, that ovules are developed into seeds. There are two types of seeds. First, dicotyledons, and second, monocotyledons. Dicotyledons and monocotyledons. What is the meaning of dicotyledons? That seed has two cotyledons. This type of structure. Two cotyledons present. For example, in gram, it is a seed of gram and it has two cotyledons. When we will separate to that seed cotyledons have, we have two cotyledons. It is known as a dicotyledons. In monocot, it has single cotyledons. For example, wheat grain, and wheat or maize or rice, it has a single cotyledons, monocotyledon and dicotyledons. After that, we will first of all we will discuss about the dicotyledon seed. Structure of dicotyledon seed. Here, in the structure of dicotyledon seed, it has two cotyledons here. These are attached by embryonal axis. Embryonal axis. The upper part of it, it has plumule, and the down part of it, it has radicle. After the development of seed from radicle, root will develops. Root will develops from radical part from here after the germinations, and from plumule shoot will develops. It will grow upward and develop into shoots, and radicle develop in this direction, down direction, and develops into roots. Yes, this cotyledons, first of all, before the germination, this cotyledons has nutrition medium, that is known as the endosperm. This endosperm are reserved in this cotyledons. Before the germination, that endosperm will provide nutrition to the embryo so that plumule and radicle can develop from the seed. In some types of seeds that have an endosperm that is stored where in their cotyledons, these are known as a endospermous seed. Endospermous seed. and in some type of seeds that uses to endosperm during the germinations, that endosperm are totally used. These are known as non-endospermous seeds. Yes, there are two types of seeds, monocotyledon, dicotyledons. In the dicotyledon and monocotyledons, it has a nutrition medium in the form of endosperm. In some type of seed, when endosperm will be used during the development, that seeds are known as a non-endospermous. In some type of seeds that has endosperm in their cotyledons, these are known as a endospermous seeds. Yes, thank you.